Mastering new product introduction. The organization's NPI project management systems are a ticking time bomb for operational disaster. What processes and systems does the organization have in place to effectively manage and prioritize multiple new product introduction (NPI) projects simultaneously, ensuring that its operational excellence is maintained and that all projects are delivered on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards? To effectively manage and prioritize multiple new product introduction (NPI) projects simultaneously, an organization must have robust processes and systems in place to ensure operational excellence is maintained, and all projects are delivered on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards. Firstly, the organization must establish a centralized project management office, PMO, that oversees all NPI projects. The PMO is responsible for developing and implementing standardized project management processes, tools, and templates to ensure consistency across all projects. This includes project initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closure. The PMO also develops and maintains a project prioritization framework that considers factors such as business objectives, resource availability, and project complexity to prioritize projects accordingly. To manage multiple projects simultaneously, the organization must utilize a portfolio management approach. This involves categorizing projects into distinct portfolios based on business objectives, product lines, or strategic initiatives. Each portfolio is assigned to a portfolio manager who is responsible for overseeing the projects within their portfolio and ensuring that they are aligned with the organization's overall business objectives. The organization must also implement a resource allocation system that ensures the effective utilization of resources across multiple projects. This includes resource leveling, which involves identifying and alleviating resource bottlenecks, and resource smoothing, which involves distributing resources evenly across projects. The resource allocation system must also take into account the skills, expertise, and availability of team members to ensure that the right people are assigned to the right projects. To ensure that all projects are delivered on time, the organization must implement a project scheduling system that includes milestones, deadlines, and critical path activities. The project scheduling system must be integrated with the resource allocation system to ensure that resources are allocated to projects based on their schedules. The organization must also conduct regular project status updates and progress monitoring to identify and mitigate any delays or deviations from the project schedule. Effective communication and collaboration are critical to the success of multiple NPI projects. The organization must implement a collaboration platform that enables team members to share information, documents, and data in real time. This includes project management tools such as Asana, Trello, or Microsoft Project, as well as communication tools such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, or email. The organization must also establish clear communication protocols and escalation procedures to ensure that issues are addressed promptly and effectively. To ensure that all projects are delivered within budget, the organization must implement a cost management system that includes budgeting, forecasting, and tracking. The cost management system must be integrated with the project scheduling system to ensure that costs are allocated to projects based on their schedules. The organization must also conduct regular cost reviews and variance analysis to identify and mitigate any deviations from the budget. Quality management is critical to the success of NPI projects. The organization must implement a quality management system that includes quality planning, quality control, and quality assurance. The quality management system must be integrated with the project scheduling system to ensure that quality activities are scheduled and resourced accordingly. The organization must also conduct regular quality reviews and audits to ensure that projects meet the required quality standards. To maintain operational excellence, The organization must also implement a continuous improvement process that includes lessons learned, retrospectives, and post-project reviews. This enables the organization to identify areas for improvement and implement changes to its processes and systems to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of its NPI projects. Finally, the organization must ensure that all employees involved in NPI projects have the necessary skills, training, and expertise to deliver projects successfully. This includes project management training, product development training, and quality management training. The organization must also provide ongoing coaching and mentoring to ensure that employees are equipped to handle the complexities of multiple NPI projects. In conclusion, to effectively manage and prioritize multiple NPI projects simultaneously, an organization must have robust processes and systems in place to ensure operational excellence is maintained, and all projects are delivered on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards. This includes a centralized PMO, portfolio management, resource allocation, project scheduling, communication and collaboration, cost management, quality management, continuous improvement, and employee development.